Hi, welcome to Take Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm torn. I'm torn between DaVinci Resolve and Vegas Pro. Now, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more tutorials. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're like my best friends. If you have a hard time understanding me, I have a serious autoimmune disease that's affecting the skin's getting tight in my mouth and my tongue's getting tight. And it's hard to pronounce words, so I'll do the best I can. I was editing a video this morning on Vegas Pro 18 for release. And guess what happened? Crashed. I'm starting to get fed up with Vegas Pro. I've been using DaVinci. There's a real cool video coming out Saturday, tomorrow. Real cool video on DaVinci. And you gotta watch it. It's coming out Saturday morning. It's a way to make money, lots of money with DaVinci. And I'll tell you what it's all about tomorrow. Don't miss it. I've been using DaVinci a lot lately, and it's very slow boot up. It lags, but it's stable. It's never crashing me ever. Vegas Pro is always crashing. I don't understand what's going on. Listen, I have to have a drink. Check this cup out, man. Check this cup. Take tips. Take tips. Take stuff. So, torn between Vegas Pro and DaVinci. Vegas is very easy to use. DaVinci, for a beginner, don't even think about it. It is an extremely difficult program to learn. DaVinci is used in Hollywood productions. It's a very good, very good video editor. Vegas, I think Vegas is more towards a prosumer market. But Vegas is very easy to learn compared to DaVinci. And so I just want to tell you about the video coming out tomorrow. I'm excited about it because I want to show you what I'm doing and to show you how you can make money with DaVinci. And we're talking a lot of money here, and you're not going to want to miss tomorrow's video. Another thing, live streams are held on the second Saturday of every month now. So December 12th will be my next live stream, and it will be a giveaway as well. So I just want to update you what's happening here. Vegas Pro is really starting to piss me off. I can't stand crash. DaVinci does not crash. It lags. When you boot it up, it takes like almost 2 minutes to boot up. On my system, it's 32 gigabytes of RAM, i7, fast video card. Still takes about 1 to 2 minutes for DaVinci to load. Very slow. So don't forget tomorrow's video, and also the second week will be the 12th of December live stream. And I want to thank you guys for your continued support. I really appreciate all your support and comments. They really mean a lot to me. So I hope you have a good day and take care, and we'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.